Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents 3 serious reasons why you need to stop using your smartphone at night. When you curl up in bed each night, do you take your smartphone with you? Most people do. It might seem like the perfect opportunity to check your email, play a little Candy Crush, see what your friends are up to on social media, or check tomorrow's weather forecast. However, we spend most of our free time staring at the screen, checking for new messages, the weather forecast, news and notifications. The radiation due to the exposure to cell phones leads to serious health risks, especially at night, as a result of the blue light they emit. Blue light is part of the full light spectrum, which means we are exposed to it by the sun every day. However, nighttime exposure to that light, which is emitted at high levels by smartphones, tablets, laptops and other LED screens, may be damaging your vision. It also suppresses production of the hormone melatonin, which throws off your body's natural sleep cues. Here are 3 main issues caused by the nighttime use of smartphones. Number 1. Sleep loss. The blue light disrupts the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep, and thus leads to insomnia and poor sleeping patterns. According to the author of a recent study which showed that the use of these devices at night reduces the quality of sleep, Dr. Gregory Marcus, who is also an associate professor of medicine at the University of California, San Francisco, says, "When we looked at smartphone use around the time when participants reported they went to bed, more smartphone use around that time in particular was associated with a longer time to fall asleep and worse sleep quality during the night. This in turn contributes to weight gain, aged skin, poor memory, heart disease and problems, depression, slow response time, and much more." Number 2. Increased cancer risk. Increased light at night has been found to contribute to the increased risk of cancer, especially breast and prostate cancer, since melatonin acts as antioxidants and is vital in the natural fight of the body against this deadly disease. Number 3. Eye damage. Blue light exposure at night damages the retina and leads to macular degeneration, which is the loss of central vision or the ability to see right in front of you. This habit might also cause the development of cataracts. Furthermore, according to Logan Block, director of content at sleepopolis.com, several other strategies may also help combat the deleterious effects of blue light. For example, if you work at a computer, it's a good idea to look away from the screen for at least 20 seconds approximately every 20 minutes. Some people report benefits from using blue light blocking apps or blue light blocking glasses at night or while using digital devices. Expose yourself to plenty of natural light during the day. This helps reinforce your body's natural circadian rhythms, which makes it easier to fall and stay asleep at night. But once dusk sets in, it's a good idea to limit the time you spend around these potentially harmful wavelengths. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.